Are you ready?
Yup.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm just here to look pretty.
What?
I'm just here to look pretty.
Oh, okay.
Romeo Papa Golf, turning left base 32 Golf.
Wow, what was that?
I don't know.
Shit.
All the wheels seem good. I can see the shadows of them. They're all good. There's probably something in the back that just rattled. There's a ton of stuff in the airplane. Got a nice rate of climb.
Tire?
No.
Romeo Papa Golf, turning final 32 Golf.
I
don't think so.
because on my side it felt like really bad.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The airplane looks okay.
Yeah, I can see all the tires in the shadow, which means they're not deflated or falling off, or not deflated enough that you can't see it. Like I can see the wheel pant and the tire in the shadow.
So we still have the wheels.
Yeah, we still have the wheels. So if it felt like on your side when we come in for a landing, we'll maybe favor my side a little bit.
Yeah, we can add somebody on the ground just to check if I still have all my tires.
No. And she's climbing beautifully.
Yeah. Do you know the name of the guy that is about to land?
I don't remember, no. I just call him out by a Cessna 170.
Course, I think Quebec exit Tango is turning downwind 32. And the Cessna that was on the circuit in Guelph, are you in frequency?
I'm sorry, say again for Romeo Papa Golf.
Okay, it's Quebec exit Tango. We just took off of 32. I had a loud noise when I took off. Did you see anything on the runway by any chance?
No, but I'm gonna backtrack on the taxiway. I'll have a good look while I'm backtracking for you.
Okay, and would you mind checking if I still have all the tires and hopefully not a flat tire?
Yeah, I'll do that for you. Are you gonna do a low and over?
Affirm, I will do a lower and over above 32.
Roger that.
What did I break this time? Oh. Tell me my baby is okay.
Did you hear the loud bang before you rotated?
It was just like half a sec before rotating, so like a little bit more than the half, between the half and 3/4 of the runway.
Okay, I'm looking. So far, nothing.
Okay, thanks. Quarter feet Quebec extra Tango is sending base low and over 32.
Golf traffic, Golf Delta Hotel Yankees, crossing 2406 to the taxiways.
Okay, there's nothing on the runway.
Okay, thanks. And noise was from my left side, I believe, so if I blow a tire, that probably gonna be just that side.
Okay, I'll have a good look.
Quarter feet Quebec extra Tango is on final 32, lower and over.
Now it all looks good.
Okay, thanks. Thanks a lot. Quebec extra Tango.
No worries.
Good. I wonder if when we were rotating, if it popped up and down, like
Yeah.
the suspension's probably has some ice in it,
Yeah, probably.
and the ice probably broke loose when it came loose.
Zero traffic, select the mic and out for it. Passing field approximately 7 minutes. We're running in from the southwest
I'll still land
straight
and
down
check.
for runway 27.
You want to land right now?
Back to
We can go along the runway too.
I'll just deacon this taxiway here.
Or maybe I should just land here because I'm prepared to land here.
Yeah, I mean, we have enough runway to land here. I'm sure everything's fine, but it doesn't hurt to... You're already here, right?
Yeah.
Better fly it to Collingwood, and if it's broken, it's already at your mechanics.
Quantifié Québec, Exo Tango is turning downwind 32. Quantifié Québec, Exo Tango is turning base 32.
Go up traffic, Romeo Papa Golf backtracking 06.
Quantifié Québec, Exo Tango is turning final 32.
Go up traffic, Romeo Papa Golf down and clear.
Well, she felt good.
Yeah. Probably had a suspension or something.
Yeah, like I said, there's probably some ice on it.
Yeah.
Nice landing, by the way.
Thank you. You'll always land better when you're scared of breaking the airplane.
Yeah, right?
Golf traffic, Golf Delta Hotel Yankee is taxiing on to line up for 32.
Quantifié Québec, Exo Tango is cleared of 32.
So we shut down the airplane in the taxiway where I fly. It's pretty quiet, so that's not an issue at all. And we checked everything around the airplane, gave a good walk around, the tires, everything was fine. Just the wheel pans, I have wheel pans and in winter ice can build up in there, and that's probably what happened. Just ice kind of stuck in the suspension, and when we rotated, that's what we heard, like basically the suspension get released. We had few landings after this one. I went to another place, got a few landings. We checked everything again after everything was fine. So yeah, nothing to be alarmed of, but I think it's important, like if you have any doubt of like anything about the airplane, you heard something or you saw something or you felt something, it's important to feel free to ask around. I got lucky, somebody was flying at the airport, and I asked that person just to check for me and to see if everything was fine. It's a good help when you have a doubt and mostly a low wing and you don't see what's under your wings. So yeah, don't hesitate to ask around for help, and mostly don't forget to fly the airplane first. I think it's pretty obvious in this video, I'm flying the airplane first. I took the decision to take off because the runway is extremely short where I fly it out of. So I flew the airplane first, and then took a decision on the plan that we were going to have, and then did my communications on the intentions and everything I was going to do after. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you liked the video. I thought it was interesting to share, and I will hopefully see you soon. Bye.